Welcome back to everyone to part 3 of Matplotlib library. In this part, we are discussing plot appearance. Now, plot some graph by making a object figure x ax is equals to fig dot add axis, set the axis location 0 0 comma 0 comma 0 1 comma 1 dot plot x and x square. Label, set label by label parameter x square. Plot another by x cube set legend position 0. See what is, I tell you later what is legend do. We plot the graph. This is legend. X square green blue color, x cube yellow color, x cube orange color. I run this cell again. There is some I have not x cube. I only pass x cube, not x. So I put some date code and print it. See, there is x and x into 3. So there is no error. And in the corner there is a square, x square and x square, which is in default I write them x square, it's x cube, and that is legend. Now comes to the plot appearance. We change the appearance of the plot. See how. As you see before, we set colors, change the default color. Now make another figure. Add axis. Plot x comma y, color, setback parameter color to green, another parameter. Line width is for the increase the breadth of the line. As you see, green color. Set alpha, which is for the alpha 0.5. It reduces the darkness of the color, darkness of the line. Now set line style. Oh, there is some bug. There is some. I set the line style as dash dash. You can see the line will be appear in the graph is dash dash. Now copy and paste. Make some changes. Like we also write LW and LS for line width and line style. And remove alpha. Marker, set marker 0. It in the marker is for that point of the graph where x and y meet. Marker 0. Marker size, I increase the marker size to 10. Marker color, change the marker color green to pink. Marker face color. Now marker edge. Marker edge width, we increase the width, set to, and marker edge color. Outline, set the outline color for the point. Yellow, set yellow. You don't have to remember all this. You can go through this Matplotlib libraries page, official page, and copy and paste the code. There is a, as you see, this changed the appearance of the plot. Do some more. If you go to the official page of Matplotlib library, you can use that code and play with that. It's really fun. As we set SW in place of line width, SL for styling, SL short. Now set X limit. We set the limit 0 to 1. The plotting line and Y 0 to 2. As you see, X start from 0 to 1 till 1 and Y 0 to 2, and you can see there is less curve shown in this. As we make it smaller and smaller, you can see a line in place of curve. Now come to some spatial plotting type, like a scratcher diagram. Now import some sample, set data is equal to sample range 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 100. This is histogram diagram which has to run. There is some bug. Now it's a data. Now you can see the histogram. Now come to box plot. We get some random values. Standard deviation, set the standard deviation for range 1 to 4, 0 to 4, 1 to 4, sorry, and plot the box plot. In parentheses, we pass data and vect is equals to 2, as we want vertical, and patch artist is equals to true. You can see more detail in the official website. As you can see, it is a box plot. Remove that and print. There is no curling. Again, copy paste that and run. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next part.